mommies and daddies, welcome to the Learning Maniacs classroom. So today, here are some things I'd like to educate you on how to teach your child how to read. So mommies and daddies, stop teaching your child to read in this format. A, B, C, D. If this is all you do, so what do you do if your child has to read these words in their actual book? They just go R-A-G. Does that make sense? No. But instead, do this. Focus on the sound that they make in each word. Okay? S, A, T, G. And then, with this, your child is able to read and to spell. Now, let's begin. S, A, T. What does it make? S, A, T. Makes the word S-A-T. I think this makes a lot of sense. Okay, let's move on to another word. Okay? And this makes pet. I guess this makes a lot of sense. So, mommies and daddies, stop teaching your child to read in the ABC format. Let your child know the sound that the letter makes in each word. I hope you've learned one or two things from this video. Bye, until next time, take care.